Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. This is our student SHASHANK. He got placed in company. Now he's going to share his experience about PySpiders Institute.
Hello, I am SHASHANK, a BCA graduate passed out in 2023, and my college is Government First Grade College, Jaipur. And I got trained under Alex sir and Vatsal sir. I got Python full stack training, and recently I placed in a company called.
Okay. How mock interviews were helpful to crack the interview?
Actually, mock interviews are very important for a student, and I don't had confidence in the first time, but as far as I attended the most of the interviews, so I got.
Okay. I wish him all the best for his further career.
Thanks.